Thanks, Fred, and thanks, everyone. It was really fun to watch. I'm going to share my screen one more time for just a minute, and then we'll have a chance to share some more. But like Fred said, we're going to have an opportunity to build on some of the ideas that came up in the chat box and came up orally. So this idea that sound makes vibration. So we're going to do that by exploring some of the objects you found around your home that you thought would provide evidence that vibration makes sound and sound makes vibration. So in this next activity, we're going to take just a couple minutes to individually explore those materials that we gathered. So it might be helpful to make a little notebook or to jot these thoughts or ideas that you come across down in a makeshift notebook or piece of paper. But really, that's also just to model what you might do with your TK2 students. And if they can't, if they're not writing as much, maybe they're drawing, or maybe they're sharing out loud with someone that's around them. And then as you're exploring your materials, start thinking about the following prompt that's at the bottom of that slide. What do you see and or hear that provides you with evidence that vibrations make sound and sound makes vibrations? And we're going to use what you write or reflect on with that question to help write some arguments a little bit later. So do jot those things down if you can. So with that, let's go ahead and just take about 3 minutes, maybe till about 3:30, to explore those materials that we grabbed. And again, just jotting our thoughts down about what we see or hear that's providing us with evidence that vibration makes sound or sound makes vibration. And then we'll come back together. All right. So it's been about 3 minutes. Hopefully you've been able to explore the materials that you gathered. I'm going to go ahead and stop my screen share now so that we have a chance to share and see what one another tried. So for this sharing piece, we can use either the chat box, or if people would like to try unmuting and just showing what you found and what evidence you think you might have collected.
I can share.
Great, go ahead.
So I have a metal thermos. And when I took my name tag, I'm at work. So when I took my name tag and I banged it on there, I could feel it with my hand and I could hear the sound.
Great. So you felt that vibration. Nice. Other things we've tried.
Okay, well, I can share. I had a spoon and a straightener on the home. And what I noticed about mine, if you can hear this, is it made, I could tap it up here at the very top, but feel it down here at the handle. So it was very interesting to also see how it moved down and the loudness and how much the sounds would change when it was on the thicker piece versus a thinner piece over here. It's interesting.
Nice. Awesome. So another instance where we're finding some evidence that sound is making vibration. Sound is causing some vibration. What else have we been able to try?
Hi, I tried my roasting rack for my turkey for Thanksgiving. And I took my scissors and I did it. And I noticed that this has a very high pitch. It sounds high pitched to me. I'm not musical in any way, so correct me.
Mm.
It had like a higher, more ring sound to me versus when I was tapping my scissors on the spoon, just a deeper sound. But then I'm wondering if the quality of your metal makes a difference, because I think this is like cheap, and it and that has something to do with the sound quality.
Yeah, that's an interesting question. I love how these explorations are raising those questions. Maybe about maybe a coating of metal or something like that that's affecting it. Yeah, awesome. We've got a couple other things coming in through the chat too. I could feel vibrations through the string. I used 3 different size spoons that were solid and a whisk that was not solid, and there were different spoons. Okay, great. Yeah, other evidence that vibration makes sound. We've got some evidence that our sound is causing some vibrations. Other things. Oh, what a great description. Thank you so much. we have some fabulous assistants here today. So the metal came together and made the vibration, which made the sound. Wow. Okay, we are a very advanced group here. Thank you so much, assistants, for sharing. That is really, really great. So hopefully we've all been able to enjoy and engage in this vibration exploration.